Hi friends, welcome to our channel. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல PGTRB கம்ப்யூட்டர் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டருக்கான வீடியோ தான். ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டத்துல இருந்து பார்ட் 1 பார்க்க போறோம். பார்ட் 1ல வந்து 50 क्वेश्चंस போட்டிருக்கேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். First question, the part of machine level instruction which tells the central processor that has to be done is operation code. Second question, which of the following refers to the associative memory? There is no need for an address, that is, the data is used as an address. Another question, to avoid the race condition, the number of processes that may be simultaneously inside the critical section is 1. Another question, a system program that combines the separately compiled module of a program into a form suitable for execution, linking loader. Another question, process is a program in execution. Another question, addressing structure defines the fundamental method of determining effective operand addresses. Another question, the memory buffer register contains a copy of the designated memory location specified by the memory address register after a read or the new content of the memory prior to a write. Another question, the strategy of allowing processes that are logically runnable to be temporarily suspended is primitive scheduling. Another question, the storage to storage instruction have both their operands in their main store. Third question, the LRU algorithm pages out pages that have been least used recently. 11th question, which of the following system software does the job of merging the records from two files into one? Utility program. 12th question, fork is the creation of a new process. 13th question, thrashing can be cached by poor paging algorithms. 14th question, supervisor state is only allowed to the operating system. 15th question, which of the following instruction strips would be written within the diamond shaped box of a flowchart? Is A less than 10. இது மட்டும் தான் கண்டிஷன்ல இருக்கு. கண்டிஷன் மட்டும் தான் டைமண்ட் ஷேப்டு பாக்ஸ்ல கொடுப்போம். 16th question, which of the following statement is false? Compaction does not involve relocation of programs. 17th question, inter-process communication allows process to synchronize activity. 18th question, which of the following function is performed by the loader? Allocate space in memory for the program and resolve symbolic references between objects disks. Adjust all address dependent location such as address constants to correspond to the allocate space. Physically place the machine instruction and data into memory. 19th question, user-friendly system are becoming more common. 20th question, which of the following addressing mode facilitates access to an operand whose location is defined relative to the beginning of the data structure in which it appears in text. 21st question, while running DOS on a PC, which command would be used to duplicate the entire disk copy? disk copy. Memory is a device that performs a sequence of operations specified by instructions in memory. 23வது question. Which of the following rules out the use of goto? Nash-Sneederman diagram. 24வது question. A system program that sets up an executable program in main memory read for execution is loader. 25வது question. Which of the following are loaded into main memory when the computer is booted? Internal command instructions. The FIFO algorithm execute first the job that first entered the queue. First in, first out. 27வது question. What is the name given to the organized collection of software that controls the overall operation of a computer? Operating system. 28வது question. The principle of locality of references justifies the use of cache memory. 29வது question. The register or main memory location which contains the effective address of the operand is known as pointer. 30வது question. Assembly code database is associated with assembly language version of the program which is created by the code generation phase and is input to the assembly phase. 31வது question. Thrashing can be avoided if the pages belonging to the working set of the programs are in main memory. 32வது question. In analyzing the compilation of PL/I program, the term lexical analysis is associated with recognition of basic elements and creation of uniform symbols. 33வது question. Resolution of externally defined symbol is performed by linker. 34வது question. System generation varies in difficulty between systems. 35வது question. The memory address register contains the address of the memory location that is to be read from or stored into. 36வது question. In virtual memory system, dynamic address translation is the hardware necessary to implement paging. 37வது question. Fragmentation of the file system can be temporarily removed by compaction. 38வது question. A non-relocatable program is one which cannot be made to execute in any area of the storage other than the one designated for it at the time of its coding or translation. 39வது question. Which of the following are language processor? Assembler, compilers, interpreters. கம்பைலருக்கும் இன்டர்பிரட்டர்ஸ்க்கும் என்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ்னா கம்பைலர் வந்து ஹோல் ப்ரோக்ராமையும் தான் ரன் பண்ணும், ஒன் பை ஒன்னா செக் பண்ணாது. இன்டர்பிரட்டருங்கிறது லைன் பை லைனா செக் பண்ணும். 40வது question. In which addressing mode the effective address of the operand is the content of a register specified in the instruction and after accessing the operand the contents of this register is incremented to point to the next item in the list. Auto increment. 41வது question. The memory allocation scheme subject to external fragmentation is segmentation. 42வது question. While working with MS-DOS, which command will you use to transfer specific file from one disk to another? Copy. 43வது question. What is the name of the operating system for the laptop computer called MacLight? OS. 44வது question. In which addressing mode the contents of a register specified in the instruction are first decremented and then these contents are used as the effective address of the operands. Auto decrement. 45வது question. What is the name given to the values that are automatically provided by the software to reduce keystrokes and improve a computer user productivity? Default values. 46வது question. Page styling is taking page frames from other working sets. 47வது question. In MS-DOS 5.0, which is the number that acts as a code to uniquely identify the software product? Answer 5. Bug means a logical error in a program. 49வது question. Memory management is critical for even the simplest operating system. 50வது question. The initial value of the semaphore that allows only one of the many processes to enter the critical section is 1. இதோட ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் பார்ட் 1 வீடியோ முடிஞ்சது. அடுத்து பார்ட் 2 வீடியோ வரும். சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஏதாவது சஜஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னாவும் சொல்லுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.